Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting for all you kitchen enthusiasts out there. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 10 must-have kitchen tools and equipment that will revolutionize the way you cook and make your time in the kitchen a breeze. So, let's dive right in. Introducing the 11-piece stainless steel measuring cups and spoons set, your ultimate kitchen companion for precise measurements. The hollowed-out handles with silicone sleeves provide a comfortable grip, surpassing other stainless steel handle cups. Crafted from upgraded 18/8 stainless steel, these durable tools resist rust, bending, and rough edges. Easily measure dry and liquid ingredients for cooking and baking with ease. The set's convenient ring keeps everything together, and it's perfect for hanging. Get this versatile and indispensable kitchen set for just $16.99. Upgrade your cooking experience with accuracy and convenience today. Introducing the Lineroso paring knife, a culinary gem combining craftsmanship and cutting-edge tech. Crafted from German ThyssenKrupp high-carbon stainless steel, this 3.5-inch knife stands as top-tier cutlery. Its Rockwell hardness scale rating of 56+ comes from a rigorous vacuum heat treatment and rapid cooling process, ensuring lasting sharpness. Chromium integration adds robustness and rust resistance. Hand polished to a precise 11 to 12 degree edge, it excels in accuracy and control. Ideal for garnishing, mincing, peeling, slicing, and dicing. Full tang and forged bolster offer balance, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort, control, and agility. At just $21.95, elevate your culinary prowess with this versatile kitchen essential. Introducing the Fryoil Saver Griddle Cleaning Scraper, the perfect tool for effortless and safe griddle cleaning, priced at just $23.90. With a 15.5-inch handle, it keeps hands away from hot surfaces, ensuring a comfortable grip. Crafted from lightweight yet strong aluminum, it guarantees long-lasting performance. The 5.5-inch sharpened stainless steel blade cleans griddles evenly and thoroughly. Rust-resistant materials, including high-quality stainless steel and aluminum, ensure durability. The extra comfort plastic handle with silicone grip enhances the cleaning experience. Upgrade your griddle cleaning routine with this efficient and cost-effective scraper, leaving your griddle spotless and ready for the next cooking adventure. Introducing the Nile Home Silicone Spatula Set, a steal at just $7.99, perfect for cooking, baking, and mixing. These heat-resistant spatulas withstand up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring safe and healthy cooking. Easy to clean, they're dishwasher safe or hand washable. The handle's small hole design allows for convenient hanging and quick drying. No gaps on the surface for a secure grip on food. The set includes various sizes, catering to all your needs, even letting kids participate. Elevate your kitchen experience with this budget-friendly and versatile spatula set. Introducing the stainless steel kitchen tool, an all-in-one slicer priced at $10. With safety materials and durable design, it offers versatile slicing options. Austenitic stainless steel needles ensure safe and healthy use. The stainless steel soap removes odors effectively. Simple to use and easy to clean. Upgrade your kitchen with this efficient tool. Introducing silicone cooking utensils, priced at $27.97, heat-resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, safe, BPA-free, and odorless. The wooden handle prevents heat transfer, and each handle has a unique texture. The set includes 9 cooking tools, 4 baking tools, and a large utensil holder. Stainless steel reinforced for durability and easy cleaning. No gaps, no food trapped. Wooden-handled items not dishwasher safe. Upgrade your kitchen with these versatile and affordable utensils. Introducing Holden Storage Pull-Out Cabinet Organizers, priced at $69.89. Say goodbye to hard-to-reach areas with these sliding cabinet organizers for easy access in your kitchen, bathroom, and laundry room. Store jars, baking goods, canned food, and small appliances with these wide application shelf inserts. The ball-bearing system allows full extension, making items easily accessible. Upgrade your cabinet organization and maximize storage efficiency. Introducing the Pyrex 3-piece glass measuring cup set, priced at $25.29, perfect for baking, cooking, and mixing. Features bold measurements in ounces and milliliters for easy reading. Easy grip handles and curved spout for non-mess pouring. Microwavable and dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and oven safe. Non-porous, BPA-free, and won't absorb odors, flavors, or stains. Upgrade your kitchen with this versatile Pyrex measuring cup set. Introducing the Spring Chef Dough Blender, priced at $8.99. Elevate your baked goods with ease. Get flakier and fluffier textures. No more sore hands or wrists. Comfortable soft grip handle. Versatile chopped fruits, mashed baby food, and more. Upgrade your baking with this must-have tool. Introducing the Spring Chef Premium Swivel Vegetable Peeler, priced at $8.97. Its dual stainless steel blades stay ultra-sharp and swivel effortlessly along fruits and vegetables. The built-in blemish remover ensures smooth peeling. Save time and reduce waste. Peeling is quick and precise, avoiding unnecessary loss of produce. The peeler's smooth glide technology prevents clogging with peels. It's dishwasher safe and comes with a lifetime warranty. The soft grip handle offers maximum comfort for both right and left-handed users, making peeling a joy. The ergonomic design is lightweight and efficient, even suitable for those with arthritis. Hang it easily with the built-in hole. Upgrade your peeling experience with Spring Chef.